Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on our way to the airplane now. We are going to Cebu with my mom's best friend and her husband. See ya. Hello everyone. So ayan no, we are here at we just landed at the Mactan Cebu International Airport. So we're just landed safely. Thank you, Lord. Talk to you later. Ayan na, we are here na sa aming hotel, Mapolo Royal Hotel. Sige po. So now we are at we're here. Sugbo Mercado here in Cebu City. It's so many people in here and so many food carts. Let's see what we can eat here. See ya. When we strike a pose, hold on pretty close. Huh? Somebody else.
Ano nga ito dito?
Sugbo Mercado.
Nasa Sugbo Mercado kami. Buhay na buhay.
Somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this. Good morning, everybody. So we are here now at the Oslo Whale Shark watching. It's so many people, huh? Show you.
Because the base products contains sunblock or any kinds of oil, because this product contains chemical that can harm the whale shark. But if you apply it already, kindly rinse it off down there at the shower area before going. Violations are punishable, so please obey the rules to avoid penalties. We have there some sea wardens monitoring the whole operation. And additional reminders from here up to later.
Damit dito? I love Oslo.
Sabi niya, pangalawang buhay na daw niya.
Kasi naglaro pa ako ng bago kahapon.
Hi, Ate Elsie! Popsi! YouTube! Ayan, we are about to, take off. To depart to the whale shark watching. Ayan. Yeah, we are about to depart now. Nami sa kilid sa dagat. Naka. See ya!
lapit ng ano? Ng shark.
Ouch! Wait lang, kay huli. Popsy! Ate Els! Okay, we're going to this boat. 134. Ate Elsie! Hi! Popsy here!
Pila, naib, gagod diha.
Tama na iniwan ko sa dere.
Hey, hey, hey! Yoo-hoo!
Nangalat ng dagat.
Malat yung dagat. Ate Elsie! Ah! Popsy! Are here! Hala! Look! Oh, wait lang. Ayan! Ayan yan! Ay, dapat talaga pupuntahan mo siya yun, oh. Kala baka matuwan. Si Popsy. Asa naman si?
Dito na ako siya bababa.
Bababa ka na. Tuluran mo. Para siya ka na ko kayo.
Bakit malabo, kuya?
Bawasan mo muna ng tubig, ma'am. Diesel mo. Tubig.
Dandahan natin, Elsa.
Diesel mo.
Hindi ko makita ang inside.
Awa na. Wala nunod tayo Pedro Sante. Ikaw, kaki ata.
Asa naman itong uban? Mara! Hindi ko kayo.
Wala pa pala dyan sa Allah, uy, wag mo daw hawakan.
Wow!
Ayun.
Mara siya na po kayo siya, Dels.
Hindi ko makita. Dali, tama ba? Tama ba paglagay?
Oh, sakto, sakto. Oh, mana na. Ala, yan na! Dako kayo! Ala, ano ba? Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Ay, madali. Si Popsy, wait. Ate Yes! Wait lang. Tanaw na ko sila, be. Dako kaya Chelsea. Dako kaya naka-video ko. Ako.
Ay, bidyan mo ako sa ilalim.
Ito siya. Wait lang, sige, sound. Kaya videote ka. ka dali. Sam! Sam! At least maglutaw-lutaw rata. No! Sam!
Wow!
To.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go! Galit. Ayaw na. Ay, parang ulutaw rata. Ayo, dapat naka. Sige, Papsi. Sam! Kadako! Hello, hello. Ah, sorry. Close enough details. Oh.
Ayun na naman siya.
Oh, bilis, kinaka-video niya lang ay dito.
Hello!
Videoan mo pa. Hindi pa ka doon, bilis. Bilis. Naka-play, dali. Tabakuan.
Ang purpose nitong sa puwet dito para hindi umakyat yung
Ay, oo. Mauda ito yung purpose.
inano ko, nubad ko.
Oo, ako, hindi ko. Kaya pala siya umaakyat. Ay, please. Thank you. Ay, oh, please. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you very much. Woohoo!
Oh, dala naka-point pa yun.
Wow, very good. Very
Best
nice.
experience.
Best experience. Grabe ka dak. Ka-nice ato ate Elsie, uy. Hey, we're going now to Malog Falls. Naka-ano mi guys, naka habal-habal.
Vlogger ka, ma'am?
Ah?
Vlogger.
Ay, oh, small vlogger lang. Gamatitoy pa kaayo.
Punto na ka, ma'am.
Ha?
Punto na ka.
Ay, oo. Gamay. Gamay. Dili, uy, wala, uy. Mo na ni?
Wala, apa ka?
Diri ra? Munaog na? Okay. Ate Elsie. Oh, I saw it. Naana, tuara. Ooh, ka nice. Ate Elsie. Popsi. Nice, no? Entrance to Malog Falls. Okay. Thank you, Dave. Oh, here.
Grabe, hanggang taas.
Hala, kataas. welcome to Tumalog Falls. Kami sa Cebu, guys. It's so cold. So, we are at the Tumalog na. Tumalog Falls. It's cold! Oops!
Bidyohan mo nga ako, Shane.
Ano? Saan tayo? Ha? Saan tayo? Popsi! Popsi! Woo! The falls! See ya! And now we are going to Sumilon Island. We are in the boat now.
Isa nga tuloy tayo, dito tayo.
We are in the boat now. Dapat sa kilid ta, oh. Diha ta. Kay para. Ayan, we're in the boat now. At Elsie. Hi. Going to Sumilon Island. See ya. We are going to that island there. It's crystal clear. Elsie. We are here now at the Sumilon Island. It's crystal clear. Alright, see ya, guys. It's so nice in here. It's so hot, but it's worth the hot. Look at that. I'll show you around. Oh, dahil siya. So, ngayon guys, we are at the Simala Church. I'll show you.
Hoy!
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, it's my auntie's birthday and she's busy cooking. We are at her house in Ibu, Danao City, Cebu. So this is the ganap. Is the cooking of the spaghetti-hing.
Slicing.
Slicing. The gulaying. The meatballing. And then here is the cooking of the lumpia hing. We have a spaghetti and the fried chicken hing. And then we have here adobo is finished. Adobo is finished here. And then we'll cook the pancit. So we have so many things to do pa. The birthday girl is cooking her spaghetti. Special spaghetti. Special spaghetti. Very creamy. Gastusa na spaghetti ha. Sa butangan ani. I-pour na. Okay, see you. Ate Elsie, say hello to my vlog.
Nakay ground. Kaminta.
Ground pork. Ground. And then on the other side, there's the people from the outside. Hi, Amari. Hi. This is Frank, my auntie's partner. There is he American. You're American, right? Yeah. This is my auntie Elsie's husband. That is my cousin there, beautiful Hannah. There. Sa YouTube. Alrighty. See ya. Video pod ni pod.
Okay na tilawin. Video daw yung video.
Oh, para sa mag-ano ko happy birthday video sa akong YouTube. The golden birthday.
Bay, palihog ko. Sa pasta, ibutang diha sang.
Bibura ba ni? Kaya di ra ba ni nako i-edit ang sounds na to? Bahala na diha. Mauna gid yung sounds, original. Original sounds gina siya sa 50th birthday.
Nindot mang ginang original. Ayun totoong kaganapan.
Correct. Oh, here is the cooking of the fried chicken. Here is the lumpia. Video ko sa panghuwad. Kabisihan eh, oh. Okay, huwad. Huwaran is the saucing. Daghan kay siyag sauce. Gamay ray pasta. Okay, lami rin na siya. Tanawa ko cellphone, oh. Kaya diba, basag man, oh. Pag na yung mga oh. Maana siya, pag na yung mga lightning effect. Mura siya na lightning effect. Kaya nga.
Naglutang. Over
Di ma-absorb naman na niya. Nga spaghetti. Hi, Ino. Agwapo ni Ino, oy. Basta tanaw lang mo sa kong YouTube, ha. Tanaw ninyo yung mga naong. Okay, birthday girl, paningkamot.
dapat naglingkod-lingkod ko dili na ako musugot unta nga mag.
Ay, kawawa naman yung Disney
Kalolo sa Disney Princess.
Naunta na nun.
Nasa ng Disney
Ang
Princess.
kawawang Disney.
Nabisi man nagpangukay.
May ukay tani, oh. Oh, kami, it's your turn na. Butang sa butanganan.
Oh, pineto. Ha? Wow, kalami sa food. Uy. Mao jud.
Hi guys, nag-uot mi.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Sardinas mi diri guys.
So on the way to the beach again, to the resort.
Beach
Swimming pool.
Katay yung katulgan mo tayo resort.
Ah.
Aw di na mo pa uli diri niya.
Di na, diretso na mi ugma.
Mo ni.
Naraon namin sa multi-cup guys, Tanawa. Ayan, ang mga bata, ang mga food dito nasa Tibibi. Kinsa ti siya?
Ate Norma.
Ate Norma. Nani sa YouTube, makita ninyo. Ayan. Hi. Ang birthday girl to Wait lang, be. Bye-bye. Emi, amo dia. Nakita naman si Kati. Nakita ko ni.
Dali!
Nandito oy sa view.
Doon yan sa ano siya.
Saan?
Tubig! Dali, tubig! Tubig sang, tubig. Liyan, talang yung litson. Pero mo picture siya.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Uli, nabi, mag-picture na tani.
Dali na gani. Pizza. Ayan na, ang lechonen. Giabrihan na.
I'm going to hold you underwater so you can appear out.
Picture ni Dumbin.
Oh.
Hi, Mads. Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Kadako sa... Hoy, ante, stay daw dito kay mag-picture si Frank.
Jen? Jen?
Yes, wait, wait.
Oh. Sige lang siya kay mag-picture man siya sa imo noon sa day ka. Hi Frank. Hi. Kanay sa view oh. Harap Elso. Good morning. So for today, this is our last day in Cebu, and we are in where are we? We are in where is this? I can't remember, but it's some part in Cebu. It's going some way to Bantayan, something like that. But yeah, Carmen Cortel, I'm not sure, Corsol, something like that. But yeah, here we are. It's the Huban Garden Resort, and the place is nice. It's beautiful. It's very static. I'll show you. So this is where we came from. That's our room, and this is the place. We're looking for the sunrise. So here is a black sand. It's very green, very freshy, and that is a sunrise. There. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Huh? 5'8".
Gusto tulog pa sila.
Na kita humantag picture. Morning. Good morning, baby.
Dito tayo mag-walk like this thing.
Dali. Oh.
Anak, kasi ka. Video mo.
Para isa ka table.
May breakfast in.
Breakfast in the beach.
Para usara ka table dahil. Tapos yung magdaghang table.
Sea view.
Dili lang ka, di man ako giapil.
Sige lang.
Dili ra ka. Oh.
Ikaw ba ako video?
Say good morning to my vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice diri oy.
Nice
Mga pretty girls. Walk.
Ha? 5'8".
Gusto tulog pa sila.
Na kita humantag picture. Morning. Good morning, baby.
Dito tayo mag-walk like this thing.
Dali.
Bot sa iyang gisulti, di ba nihunong siya kaya ng checkpoint? Pero,
Nangutana siya.
ano siya nga, nasa imo imong lisensya, ang imong tubag ha?
Oo.
Oo. Ako sa pangutana. Ging, nani mo ako lisensya? Ni katawa ra siya, nilakaw dito.
Nga, lahi
Ay,
day.
tubag og o kamo siguro.